Hello and welcome to Ajayastro Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global markets. Today, we bring you an important update on the recent developments in the global financial landscape. Let's take a closer look at how Asian stock markets have responded to the latest US tariff plans and inflation data. On February 14th, Asian markets showed a positive trend, mirroring the gains seen on Wall Street. This uptick comes after US President Donald Trump announced a directive related to reciprocal tariffs. However, the directive did not impose any immediate measures but instead initiated a review process that could span several weeks or even months. This cautious approach helped ease concerns about a potential global trade conflict. The uncertainty surrounding tariff announcements had previously driven gold prices to new highs. However, the delayed implementation brought a sense of relief, encouraging investor confidence and driving market gains. In Asia, the Chinese technology sector led the upward momentum. The Hang Seng Tech Index in Hong Kong reached its highest level in 3 years, thanks to positive sentiment surrounding the achievements of the domestic tech startup DeepSeek. As a result, Hong Kong's benchmark index climbed by 1.6% on Friday, contributing to an impressive 5% increase over the week, the strongest in the past 4 months. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index, excluding Japan, also experienced growth, rising by 0.54%. This growth kept the index near its 2-month high. Meanwhile, Japan's Nikkei declined by 0.55%, but it still maintained a positive outlook for the week. Turning to the United States, recent economic data provided additional insights into market trends. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, rose by 0.4% in January, surpassing market expectations. This followed an upwardly revised 0.5% increase in December. While these figures might indicate growing inflationary pressures, components of the PPI that influence the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, or PCE, remained relatively subdued. This trend suggests that inflation may not accelerate as rapidly as some analysts had feared. Market sentiment now anticipates a potential interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve. However, expectations for this move have been postponed, with traders now predicting a 25 basis point reduction only by October. In contrast, the European Central Bank appears more inclined toward adopting a proactive approach, with speculations of rate cuts in the near future. In Southeast Asia, the Philippine Central Bank made an unexpected decision to keep its interest rate unchanged. The bank cited global uncertainties as the primary reason for maintaining its current policy stance. The currency markets also reacted to these developments. The US dollar index settled at 107.07, following its sharpest single-day decline since January 20th. Meanwhile, the euro remained steady near a 2-week high of $1.0459, supported by optimism surrounding ongoing diplomatic efforts to ease tensions between Ukraine and Russia. In summary, global markets are navigating through a complex mix of trade policy deliberations, inflation concerns, and central bank decisions. The coming weeks will be critical as investors await further economic data and policy announcements. Thank you for tuning into Ajayastro Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful updates and in-depth market analysis. Stay informed and stay ahead with us. Disclaimer: this analysis is based on available market data and should not be considered financial advice.